Hello, and welcome back to Microsoft Word. In this set of lessons, we want to talk about inserting charts into our documents. So if you go to your tabs and click on Insert, you go over to your chart. When we click on the chart icon, what it's going to do is open up an Insert Chart dialog box. In that box, just like everything else in Microsoft, you can see where you have all your charts categorized. We have columns, we have lines, we have pie. As you can read, there are different charts. Now, if you look across the top of the picture, the selection that you've chosen, you have options of different charts in which to use in your charts in your box. I want to stick with just columns because columns are simple. Now, also, if you click over here, you'll see how the different icon that you click on gives you that chart and what it is that you're looking at. For simplistic reason, we want to talk about, let's go with clustered columns. Once you select your chart, you click OK, and then that chart will populate on your page. When that chart is populated, you'll see the chart above that says Microsoft Word. This is actually Excel format, but we're going to do it for Word. In here, you have your category. This is where you input your data that you want included in your chart. So for simple reason, I like to keep it simple. We'll put in some data. Well, not that many. Okay. I'll over select it. And then something simple as a pad. And then down on our category, let's go shirts. Still to me, slow down. Shoes. Let's go pants. Let's go socks. Now, if you notice, as we type in our chart itself, the data that we type here reflected in a chart. So you see we have Darren, Karen, and Pat. Then we have the shirts from our category: shirts, shoes, pants, and let's get the last one here, and socks. And let's just put in some number data. Let's say 25, 35, 29. All I'm doing is just arrowing down. 4, 4, 4, 5, 4, 6. Yeah. 30. Okay. Now, as you can see, though, the data that was inputted in our Microsoft Word chart is also reflected down on our chart. Now, then once we're done with that, we can close that out, and then I'll address it again later. Now, some of the other things you can do is you see your chart styles. Over here in your chart styles, you can actually select what it is if you want something different than just a plain or ordinary chart. And I like this one. Of course, you have more options here. But I kind of want to try this one. Okay, I like this one. So we click this for a chart style. You can also change the colors of your chart. So you click the drop down arrow, and here you see the different colors in which you can use. This is less colorful. Yeah, use this for our colorful. So you have colorful, so you can do that. Now, if you go further over to your left, you have what is called add chart elements. Now, what an element is any item within the chart, like the chart title, the axis, the legend, different things that would compose the element. So if you do your element here, you click down, and as you can see, you can change some of your elements into your chart. And if you notice, if you click over in your element, add a chart element, you can see the variations, or you see the changes of how you want. Here you have your vertical, your primary vertical, where you have your items on to your left. You can just change your axis title, where you see the axis is on there, or if you want one on there. The chart title, you have a chart above, or you have it on the overlay. Your data labels, you can have them centered within the bars. You have them at the end of the bars. You have them inside. So basically, or outside the end. Basically, you can have different selections for what you want to do for your chart. You can have the legend. If I want the legend to the right, I can put it to the right. If I want the legend on top, I can put it to the top, so you can see just the variations that you have that you can use to edit your document. If you need to add data and you want to, you click on the edit data. So you want to add more data to your document. You click on the edit data and you edit your data table, and then this will bring your table back up because we didn't put none of this in here. 4. Just add that so we have all our columns done, and then we can close it out. There are a lot of things that you can do with the chart, the word chart, and it just takes a lot of practice and playing around this and enjoying it. So we ask that if you have the chance to do this, that you just do just that. Just enjoy it and learn and grow. That's all I have for charts right now. I pray that this was a blessing to you and that we gained some information from it. And until the next module, we look forward to seeing you there. Take care and God bless you.